Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add schema in Yoast SEO. Alright, let's begin. First, open the post or page you want to edit, and then click on the Edit Embed. Once inside, scroll down to the Yoast SEO meta box. Depending on your WordPress setup, this might be under the Content area or in the right sidebar. Look for the Schema tab. This is where you can apply structured data to your content, helping search engines better understand your page. Next, select the schema type that matches your content. You'll see options like FAQ page, profile page, and more. For example, if your page contains frequently asked questions, choose the FAQ schema. If it's a bio or personal information, choose the profile schema. Picking the correct type ensures that search engines display your content properly in results. Using schema also increases your chance of appearing in rich results, like FAQs directly shown in Google search. This can boost visibility and click-through rates by making your links more appealing to users. So that's basically how you can add schema in Yoast SEO. That's it for this video. Thanks.